Hey guys, uh, Thursday, 27th July. Uh, I left something in my microwave, plate of pasta, and I forgot it was in there. And because I don't use the microwave, I opened it, and there was tin foil over the top of the plate. Okay, when I took off the tin foil, it was full of little flies, full. But it was inside the microwave and the door was closed. Okay? So they got in somehow. One fly got in somehow, and yeah, now there was just fucking 500 flies in my microwave. But watch this. I've had it on, I've had my microwave on full power for 3 minutes. Okay? Watch this. Look at them little fuckers. They're still alive. They're still alive. Look at them. There's fucking loads of them. There's loads of them. Okay, that was one there then. Okay, I just got that one. Nah. But watch this now. I'm going to put the microwave on. Okay? I'll put it on for 2 minutes. Okay, so just bear with me. Okay? I don't want somebody to say that I turned that I did something to the video, or I turned off the time on the timer here. Okay, it's on for 2 minutes. It's on for 2 minutes, and I'm gonna guarantee you that they're still alive. And I've just had it on for 3 minutes because I thought, fuck that, I'll kill all the bacteria if there's any bacteria in there before I touch it, before I wash it. It doesn't even kill the fucking flies. What's going on? I don't know. But I just had a shock that I opened it after 3 minutes and there were flies still in there alive. That was pretty crazy. So anyway, it's going. It's working. You'll hear it ping. There you go. You hear that? Look, they're still alive! They're still alive, man! What the fuck? They're still alive! Oh, that's crazy. Oh, that's crazy shit. Look at this. Look at them. Oh my God. I'm gonna put it on for another fucking 2 minutes. And then we'll see. Oh, but do you see that? I've had it on for 3 minutes. Then I had it on for 2 minutes. So there's 5 minutes of being microwaved a fly on full power. I mean, it's something like a 750 or watt microwave. This is not the best out there, but you put a cup of milk in and it warms it up in 2 minutes. It's hot as fuck. It boils out of the cup in 2 minutes. These things have been on here, being inside the microwave for 5 minutes. Now they ain't gonna survive. There ain't fucking no way it's gonna survive. Oh, that's freaky. That's freaky. Um, but oh, can you believe that? Can you believe that, man? Yeah, I'm pretty shocked about that myself. I just found a fly on the wall, and yeah, I didn't get it. I missed it. Um, Now, if they're still alive now, I'm gonna shit. There you go, look at that. Now they're all dead. Now they're all dead. Look at these bodies in here. Excuse me, eh? Look at these bodies in here. And on the fucking plate. And on the plate, man. Yeah. Anyway, you've seen that for yourselves, man. You've seen that they were still alive. Fuck them. Okay, guys, that was all. That was all I wanted to show you. And yeah, I hope you're all good. Hope you're all safe. Hope you're all well. And yeah, we'll save chatting to the next time, eh? Okay, take care, guys.